Dongguan Jejela Daily Commodity Company Limited is located in Dongguan City, near to Guangzhou and Shenzhen City, with total assets of $20 million and a land area of 8,000 square. The company enjoys a good production and operation environment. 100 kilometers away from Guangzhou Port, about 1 hour from Guangzhou Baiyun Airport by car, and 1.5 hours from Shenzhen Airport. Our factory is in the center of Dongguan City, enjoying convenient traffic conditions. Dongguan Jejela established in 2020, which is a national high-tech enterprise. We involves R&D, manufacture, marketing and value-added services. Our main products cover chemical fields such as car care products, household cleaning, spray paint, air freshener and aerosol products. In manufacturing, we owned a number of the world's advanced automatic production lines imported from USA, Japan and Switzerland. They are 4 professional automatic aerosol filling production lines, and 2 automatic grease and liquid filling machines. Also with 1,200 square workshop, made according to the GMP standard system. We have a garden factory based on modern management and control system. R&D, we insist researching and developing by ourselves. Continue to bring up our self-development ability and core competitive advantage. In marketing, Dongguan Jejela has established an international marketing team and service networks. Dongguan Jejela Daily Commodity Company Limited will work with you and light up our great future.
We are a professional manufacturer specializing in car care products, household cleaner products, industrial cleaners, and aerosol products. We have been founded for more than 15 years. We have our own brand, HERIOS and Dongguan. Our products have been sold to most parts of the world, and we got high reputation. Welcome to negotiate and place orders.